Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. Today here I am sitting. So today I have decided to go another new places. That is wonderful place, amazing place where I have spent my free time in my childhood when I was a kid. That time I have spent my free time. So long time I don't go there. So today I will go there and I will see that how is the place right now and what is the condition of that place. I think it will be very interesting place, and also it will be amazing and incredible place. I think that. So my dear brothers and sisters, stay with me. I'll show you very wonderful thing today. Let's go. Today here I am. I have come a special place. In this place I have come here in my childhood. In my childhood I came here so many times and I spent my free time, and also I played here. There are so many memories here, but today when I came here, after coming here, exactly I don't know this place properly because the place is totally changed here. Also you are watching, there are so many jungle here. It's a jungle, it's a deep jungle, and over there it's a deep jungle. That's why there was some street here. In this jungle there was some street here, and also when I came here I see the street is vanished. Also all the street is vanished, and I don't find the street for going. It has just one street for going. It's a very narrow street. So overall I will say that it was my memories here, but all the memories is vanished from here. So after a long time, after 5 years when I came here, I see it's totally changed. So there is a mustard garden. So long time I don't see the mustard garden, and also I don't take the flower of the mustard garden. Today I will go and I will watch the mustard garden properly, and I will show you some beauty from the mustard garden. Let's go. So my dear brothers and sisters, right now I'm in front of the mustard field. So it's a mustard field. It's a mustard field, and the flower is also is very wonderful, excellent. It's a yellow color, and also the leaf is green of the mustard. I like it very much, and I love to eat the mustard of this flower. Okay, so right now I'm standing front of the mustard field, but right now the sun shining in the sky very hardly, so that's why I'm feeling very warm right now. And also today is very sunny day, so that's why I can't stand here properly, so I gotta go from here. There are a number of amazing places here for visiting. Today I can't reveal you all the place because today is a market day. I gotta go to market, and also I have to buy some vegetables and something from the market, and also I have to sell some banana in the market. So it's a very responsibility for me to take care of my family, so that's why I gotta go to market. So now I have to off the camera, but before offing the camera I would like to say that if you really like this video, and if you think, yeah, it was real natural beauty in your video, so never ever forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you do that, like that, and I will try to make this kind of amazing video, amazing blog video in this YouTube channel. Take care of yourself. I will see you very soon with another video. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.